who is pouting because Daddy went into Tractor Supply without him. And you don't go into Tractor Supply without Trigger. But pretty much, you guys, we decided that we're going to go ahead and do a catch and cook today, hopefully, if the fish are cooperating. But we forgot a stringer. Let's see if we can catch a fish to cook it for lunch. What the heck? No one told me this was a nuclear power plant. Nuke zone. We're in the nuke zone. You see it right there? Nuke zone. I'm supposed to eat fish out of here? Out of all these rods, there's just a teeny itty bitty bite on Bluey. Did you steal my worm, you snatchy thief man? We're not having the best look of Bluey. Oh my gosh! What the heck? Oh my gosh, you guys! Trigger, hold on, bud. I'm trying to catch lunch. That was awesome. No, don't get mine. No, it's mine. It's mine, it's mine. Don't take it. And I'm still getting a bite on Bluey. Yes! Come on, Trigger! Oh no! Oh gosh. Oh goodness. Oh, okay. Well, we were after lunch. We caught it. That was freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go get our stringer made. Oh my gosh, let me get it out of the hook. Oh, Trigger, get that hook out of your face. Oh my gosh. Let's see what's going on with Bluey. Leave the hook alone. Okay. Oh gosh. We got our makeshift stringer ready to go. Hey, this is not yours. You're getting in. It's back out there. Oh my god. You. You're killing me, Souls. Not back in the same place there. Them birds better stay away. We're hoping to catch a few more, so until then, I'm gonna make some coffee. Just a little coffee and breakfast sandwiches to call them fishing. Here you go. Enjoy. Not yours, mister. Woo. Anywho, we got this stuff. Match light. We're gonna try it. God, you want me to light this whole bag at this nuclear plant? I'm gonna blow us up. All right, anywho. I feel like I need to make my Dutch oven an oven. I need to make it 350 degrees to cook my cookie. Ooh, look at this. Freaking flaming. Filet mignon. Ooh, this fire feels good. Yeah. I had to figure out how to melt butter without burning it through this bag. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Beautifully slow melted butter. Now let's head and guesstimate 2 tablespoons of water, our cookie mix, and then heat up our Dutch oven. All right, I'm putting my giant cookie in there for about 20 minutes. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. Literally, it smells good. Oh, we're getting there. Oh, that looks, oh, nuts. That looks friggin' perfect. All right, we'll save that for dessert, shall we? Let me just get my 50 million foot stringer here, because we were in such a rush, didn't think that one through. But we'll go ahead and get this guy cut up and soaked in water, and then it's dinner time. Hi. Hi. Ooh, hothead. I forget that we're eating fish from this nuclear plant. All right, y'all. So I have my fishy soaking here. I'm gonna go ahead and get it battered up. Simple New Orleans style fish fry. Fry her up and eat next to the nuclear power plant, y'all. Go ahead and line this side, you guys, so I can get our jalapeno corn fritters started. I'm gonna heat up my oil, cut a hole in my bag, and get our hush puppies going. Then we'll go ahead and fry our fish. Oh no. Finishing up the hush puppies. And they are pretty delicious. I do say so myself. Time to coat my fish. I wish you guys could smell right through that video. Oh, I'm trying to not grab another corn fritter. So hard. They came back just in time because I have a cauldron of fish and chips. All right, let's go eat, y'all. A fish and chip. It's truly fish and chips because look at. Is it dinner time? Dinner time. From a nuclear power plant to my lap. I'm pretty good if it changes me into a mutant. Holy frickin' cow. I think we scared all the fish away.
Yeah, with this light, you just put them on face.
That's so you guys can eat the cookie with us.
I don't know if you need a fork. I would just break it.
Okay, just break it. Did I overdo it?
I don't know.
Oh.
That's a little black.
Oh.
There's a lot of black.
I'm gonna have to bust out the milk for that one. I'll just flip it this way. Look at that beautiful Look at that beautiful cookie. Don't mind that. Did we lose it? Oh shoot, I'm taking the whole rod holder out. Holy cow, you super wing these out there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, those little flex rods with them bait casters I could wing out there.
Come say hi to us, guy. Man, they're just crazy.
Lucky you're not dinner. We already ate.
Yeah. You said give it till 8 too. Look at you, babe. Uh-oh, we're on the other fishing line. Look at that, guys. That's freaking awesome. He'd be a good eater too. He's actually bigger than the eater that we kept, but he's lucky we're full. Free and in the wild. Oh my gosh, wow. Graceful release. That was freaking beautiful.
Good job, babe.
Beautiful release. All right, y'all.
It's like a dog biscuit.
We're going to go finish the dog biscuit dessert. It just needs a little milk. I'm just going to get the milk. It'll be fine. Are you really just eating the top half?
And you have charcoal to start your next fire.
Well, you guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, check out more Casting Cooks. I love you guys.
Stay wicked.